Hello and welcome back to Math Club. This is season 1 of Math Club, question 3. For season 1 of Math Club, we're actually doing our algebra practice. As you all know, algebra is my favorite method. And without further ado, let's just head into the video itself. So here's the question. Take about 5 seconds to read the questions. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. Okay, I hope you have read the question, so now I have to say something that the method I'm going to use is a bit units and part method, but units and parts can be used together with algebra. I would say that this question is definitely a little bit of units and parts, but when used together with algebra, it's actually, the result's much better. And units and parts, if you learn units and parts well, you can also get your algebra better and vice versa. So, yeah, we'll just get into the question, just hold that disclaimer in mind. So first of all, you can see there's a lot of jumble of information. There is novels, there's comics, there's reference books. And as always, the best way to organize information is in a table. So we have a table over here, quite a classic table. So we have novels, comics, and reference over here. And we've got the initially, like what's the amount, the change, the number of books, and in the end. So here is pretty something that I like to use, the table method. So first of all, we need to fill out the table. So look at this sentence. It says if 2/5 of the novel. So if 2/5, the moment you see the word 2/5, you know, think about 5, because we want to make it a multiple of 5 so it's easier to work with. So that we could get 5 minus 2 equals to 3, because otherwise it still can be done, but there will be decimals, and we don't really like decimals. So we'll let the number of novels be 5x. So it's a multiple of 5, so it's easier to work with. So 5x is the initial number of novels, and 2/5 of the novels are loaned out, so 2x of novels are loaned out. So the remaining is 3x. And from this sentence over here, there will be an equal number of the 3 types of books. Thus we know all the books are 3x and 3x. Right, and now we can do a little bit of working backwards. So this, as I said, the question doesn't have to be just solved using algebra. See, we have units and parts, we have working backwards, a lot of different methods. Right, so coming into comics, as you can see, 30 comics are loaned out, so it's a minus 30. However, then initially it will be 3x plus 30. Try to think about this for a while, because the plus 30 and the minus 30 cancels out, so it becomes 3x. And for reference book, 20 is bought, so initially there's 20 less out, so it's 3x minus 20. Well, this is the table method. We've got everything filled up ready. Now it's just time to write the algebraic statement. So this is the only table we can derive, but it's enough because we only have one of them. So it's 5x, the number of novels, plus 3x plus 30, which is the number of comics, and 3x minus 20, which is the number of reference. And this totals up to 1,550. There's no need for the brackets, but I just bracketed it up so it's a little bit more clear. So as it says, it's writing an algebraic statement on the total number of books. We just got to simplify this equation over here. It's pretty simple, nothing hard about this. 5x plus 3x plus 3x is 11x, and plus 30 minus 20 will result in a plus 10, so we can get that 11x equals to 1,540, and x is 140. So with this, they're asking how many of each type of books does the library have at first, so you can just multiply that in. From novels is 5 times 140, and for comics is 140 times 3 plus 30, and for reference is 140 times 3 minus 20. So you can get your answers over here, 70, 450, and 400. Pretty straightforward. So I hope you enjoyed. Do remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. If you learned something, please share with your friends. And that's it, and we'll see you guys next week. Thank you.